Hello, Course Strategy Management. The Demon Supermarket Cats. Student Gian Snyder Aparicio Carreño. Main characters of the Cats. Joaquin Perez, founder and owner of the supermarket The Demon. He'll make the decision in the business. Maria, Joaquin is wife, secretary, cashier, and accountant. Pedro, in charge of the supply chain, he interacts with customer and supplier. Anna, fulfills the function of the part-time cashier in the supermarket. Ophelia and Jasmine, in the charge of the security and cleaning of the supermarket. Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, and Juan, in charge of supplying service and handling products. Main problems. The supermarket owner has health problem was called for after type business. Not hauling you doctor to run the business as she is industrial engineer. Compete her profession in the price. Poor customer service and not having sometimes trial until what's advice is very important. Poorly made decision according to your criteria without carrying out a market analysis. Management of family finance. Thank you.